Hello everyone, this is Zainab Musavi. In this video, I want to show what we can find in course setting. This is course setting, participants, grades, question bank, more. So let's see setting. Let's see what we can find in setting, in course setting. For general section, we need to give a name and then short name. Course visibility, it can be shown or hidden. Enable download course content, yes, it is site default. Course start day, and if you want to have end date, just enable it. And if you like to describe your course, you can provide a course summary. You can add image to your course, and course format, it can be based on one topic. I like it because students can easily find the activities related to the specific topic. And hidden section, you can hide it, you can hidden section are shown as not available. It's up to you what you want to choose. Hide tabs bar, visualization mode of section as tabs or before the tabs. Use topic summary as template. No show icon in resource links in summary. You can choose yes or no. Tabs view by default or only one line vertically. Appearance, language English, number of announcements 5. You can choose 7, 1, it's up to you. Show gradebook to students, yes, if you want students to see the grades. Show activity reports, no. Show activity dates, I like to choose yes. Files and uploads, you can also choose limitation. You can limit uploading. Completion tracking, enable completion tracking, yes. Activity, show activity completion conditions, yes. Groups, if you want students to work in groups in your course, you can choose choose separate groups, so groups separately can do their activities and they cannot see other groups activity or discussions. Visible groups, they can see it. Force group mode, default grouping. And role renaming, for example, you can write a word for course creator, for manager, for different roles, and then save and display. Thank you so much.